Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 7 of our Marchesi vocal exercises. Today we're going to be looking at exercise number 11, and we're going to be going up in a triplet up to the 4th of the scale and coming back down.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
As we keep working and building up the scale tone by tone, I want you to be focusing on the tuning of each interval. And you need to learn how to hear the tuning not just from a fundamental pitch perspective, but also from the overtone spectrum, so that as you're going, you don't hear the overtone in the voice changing from pitch to pitch. And we can take this higher and higher, and now we can maybe go up a little bit and then come back down. So I'm going to jump to B flat and kind of move up a little bit. And that one's actually tricky because you really have to navigate that second passaggio. So making sure that that overtone stays consistent note to note. And as you return down, make sure that you don't drop the resonance. So I think I could do a better job of that one. Let's give it a try. And so as I came down that time, I thought, you know what? I'm going to keep those tones high as I come down. So give that a try and let me know your experience.